Travelers from around the world are still discovering the beautiful wonders of Dubai, despite all of the publicity surrounding the COVID-19 coronavirus. Dubai is still a safe destination to travel to, and the Dubai government has taken some amazing steps to keep you safe during your visit. But today, I'd like to give you some tips about what to look for when you're traveling, and also some specific things that we've done for our guests. So according to the World Health Organization, the best way to protect yourself against the COVID-19 coronavirus is just basic hygiene. So make sure you wash your hands for at least 20 seconds, use alcohol-based hand sanitizers, and if you're feeling unwell, just make sure you get yourself checked out by a doctor. So we've made some tweaks to our normal operations. For example, we've added extra hand sanitizers at different areas, just to make sure that wherever you need them, they're available for you. So of course, after your super fun Hero Odyssey experience, we clean our boats. We've just slightly made some modifications to the disinfectant to make sure it's stronger, safer, and ready for the next adventure. We've always been meticulous preparing for our guests. For example, we've always washed our dishes at a minimum of 145 degrees Fahrenheit or 62 degrees Celsius. That's the temperature that's scientifically proven to remove all germs off your plates, knives, forks, glasses, and cups. As a sustainable company, we generally don't provide single-use plates and cups, but at the moment, we're providing some if you ask for it, just in case you feel a little bit more comfortable like that.